Quantum theory revolutionized our understanding of the fundamental building blocks of the universe, introducing the concept of quantized energy and the dual nature of particles as both wave and particle. Its significance lies in its ability to explain phenomena at the atomic and subatomic levels, leading to the development of technologies like quantum computing and quantum cryptography. Delving into the fundamental principles of quantum theory, including superposition, entanglement, and wave-particle duality, to gain a deeper understanding of the behavior of subatomic particles and the nature of the universe. Understanding the role of observation and measurement in quantum theory is crucial for grasping the fundamental concepts of the field. Observation in quantum theory refers to the act of measuring or interacting with a system, which can directly impact the state of the system. Measurement plays a significant role in determining the properties and behaviors of quantum particles, and it raises intriguing questions about the nature of reality and the observer's influence on the observed. Exploring the implications of observation and measurement in quantum theory can lead to profound insights into the nature of the universe. Superposition and entanglement are fundamental concepts in quantum physics, describing the ability of particles to exist in multiple states simultaneously and the interconnectedness of quantum particles regardless of distance. Quantum theory challenges the traditional notions of determinism and causality, suggesting that at the subatomic level, events may occur without a clear cause and effect relationship. The concept of wave-particle duality reveals the inherent dual nature of matter and energy, as both particles and waves. This duality challenges our understanding of reality by suggesting that entities such as light and electrons can exhibit characteristics of both particles and waves, depending on the circumstances of observation. This has led to the development of quantum mechanics and a new perspective on the fundamental nature of the universe. Exploring the role of consciousness and perception in the quantum realm involves delving into the intriguing connection between the observer and the observed, and how our awareness may influence the behavior of particles at the subatomic level. Exploring the parallels between quantum theory and philosophical perspectives on reality, shedding light on the interconnected nature of these two realms.